Hey you guys, I have this new product. It's called Rebel Greens, and this is the fruit and veggie clean. So this is what you're going to clean your fruits or vegetables when you pick them up from the grocery store. You're just going to use this as a plant-based, so it's very friendly, non-toxic. You're going to go ahead and you're going to just use this to clean all your vegetables. I'm going to go ahead and spray this on my grapes and make sure you get it all the way in. Make sure you spray it all over because we're going to take off all this dirt. And then I'm just going to spray a couple times. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab your water and you're just going to wash it with that. So it's going to help with all the dirt. It's going to take off anything that, if you want to leave it there, you can also leave it there for 30 seconds, rub through, add water, and then rinse it out. And look how clean it left my grapes. Okay, so I'm in the laundromat and I have the sheets and I'm going to go ahead and put them in before I start the load. And since my loads are heavy, I'm going to use a whole sheet. See, you can go ahead and cut it in half if you have a small load, or leave it together if you have a heavy load. So I'm going to do the heavy load, so I'm going to go ahead and put the whole sheet in there. So for this one, we put a whole cup full of it. Let's see how that works. The liquid is clear. Let me see how it smells. It smells good, decent. And this is the laundry detergent, just a regular. The thing with this, it doesn't give instructions. Oh yeah, it's right here, the instructions, my bad. The ingredients for hand wash items, for regular use. Yeah, so you use 1 cupful for standard wash, and that's what we did, and 2 if it is a big wash. So the cupfuls are not that big, so the cupful is like this, so it has to be pretty strong. It smells good, so let's see how that works out. I'll let you know when I fold it how it smells and how it is. You guys see, we already added, this one has the towels and the detergent. You see the soap on there? It's kind of clear, but I can see the soap. Okay, you guys, so I just pulled out the clothing from washing, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna smell it. And it smells fresh. So it smells, I don't know, like fresh, like fresh. So I'm really happy with it. So there you go. That's your review. I give it a 5-star. It smells good. I saw it soap up, so not bad for being organic. Let me tell you, I will use it again, and I'll show a couple more pictures of the product as well as the link and everything else I need to down below.